access forex. Nice to talk to here. You can see this is truly a wise home. This is truly a wise home. This is truly a wise home. You can see almost $600 with this free strategy. Look at it. This is why we get our confirmation. Let me bring up. You can see using the 1 minute time frame. This is why I get my confirmation. This is why I get it. I get my confirmation here. You see the red and the yellow moving average cross each other here, and there was a double bottom confirmation on top of this area around this point. I'll point it out for you. See, alright. Please, for those that are new to this channel, kindly appreciate us by subscribing to this channel. We'll be able to give you more and more confluence strategies. Look at it. Let me move my stop loss to this point. Probably, let's say here, 61.57. 61.57 stop loss. Let's make all our stop loss to be 51 so that the market will automatically close all these position powers automatically. Let's modify our order. Stop loss 51.67. Is that correct? No. 61.57. Our stop loss 61.57. Modify 61.57. Modify. Cool. Let's modify this third one. I'll still give you the settings. I will still give you settings for this strategy. I will still give you the updated settings for this strategy. So let me finish up. 57 modify. Cool. Remember this one. 57. Cool. 57, 61, 57. Cool. We are just you see how the market automatically put 57. Cool. So we have locked all our profit. So since I locked my profit, let me continue explaining it for you. You see, market had his one stop loss target. Look at it. So as the market is still going on, let me be explaining it and let's allow the market to run, because we have already booked our profit. This is how we get our confirmation. This is how we get our confirmation on top of here. See, this is where we get our confirmation. The cross downward, and this one is at the oversold. You see, let's check our 5 minute time frame. You see, using the 5 minutes, we still got our entries here when the CCI indicator, commodity channel index indicator, is here. So please try and get this very clear and understanding. It will help you. Everything here is clearly seen. This is Adnan Global Access Forex. See, the market is coming to hit our stop loss and go. Market is still coming to hit our stop loss and go. Oh, we have already booked all profits. We have already booked all profit. We have already booked all profit. We have already booked all profit. You can see. Let me give you the settings here. Let me give you the settings for this strategy. Let's go for the settings. Don't mind the profit is coming down because I've already sacrificed some things and I want to show you and give you the settings for this strategy. On the first window indicator 1, we have the moving average period 20. I said period 20, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, levels, all this and that. You can see styles. You can put it any color of your choice, but I make my own somehow golden or yellow. So that's just it. The next moving average period 10, shift 4, method 0, exponential. Remember, the method is exponential. This strategy is exponential moving average strategy. Just capture the concept, you'll be able to get exactly what you want. Please don't forget, if you find value in this video, kindly like this video and share this video. If you didn't find any value in this video, kindly dislike this video and tell me how I can be able to improve next time in my next video. Let me be finished up. The style is red, that's all. And the last one is commodity channel index indicator, CCI, period 20, apply to typical price HLC/3, levels, minus 150 plus 150 or plus 180 minus 180, and then level 0. See the levels here correctly, you see, and the style is green. So that's just all. That's what makes us have all this. You see, I lock my profit and the market is still going down. You see, this is volatility 100 index. I kill it. I kill the volatility. I kill the volatility so much. This is Adnan Global Access Forex here. For those that are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe. We are still running some kind of mentorship. Probably we'll start our mentorship next week. So the link for the registration will be released before the end of this week. This is nice to talk to you here. See you in my next. I will still hold and allow the market run. Probably later in the day, I will still show you the rest of the trade. This is nice to talk to you here. See you in my next video. Bye.
لقد جئت شيئا إمرا قال ألم أقل إنك لن تستطيع معي صبرا قال لا تؤاخذني بما نسيت ولا ترهقني من أمري عسرا فانطلقا حتى